Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Today's video won't be too much about Corel Draw as much as it's going to be about the big expo coming up next year in 2023 in February 7th through the 10th at the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. The APA Personalization and Awards. If you go to my home page, if you're on one of my videos and you go to my homepage, right here you can go to the link of the APA and it's going to give you membership benefits, how to join. You can go to education and it's going to show you the classes that are coming up. There's a brief explanation. I'm doing a class. There's at least 3 other Corel Draw classes, total of 4. A step-by-step layout designed by Megan Raymond, Corel Draw for All, from a friend of mine, Randy Allen, one of my mentors from Engraving Concepts, and Corel Draw for Sublimation by Austin, I'm not going to butcher his name, with JDS Industries. If you've never been to this event, I strongly suggest, and if you can make the travel, I strongly suggest you going. The showroom floor is incredible. My class is going to be about Corel Draw faster and better using hotkeys and macros and other stuff. It's I believe all 4 of these classes are an hour and a half long. If you're a member, they're free. To get into the show is free. Once you register and become a member. So just remember to go to my homepage, and they put a banner on mine today. And, you can see my videos and everything. That's my ugly mugshot right there. But they made it real convenient to join, and you can actually go, to the different classes. You can go to trade show and schedule and education, and it's going to give you all the classes. My class is Tuesday. Well, there's Randy Allen's Tuesday. My class is at 12:30 on Tuesday. So you could, in just one day, you could go to at least 2 classes in Corel. And there's, round table discussion about everything in this business. And there's a lot of classes, throughout from Tuesday to Thursday. I think the showroom floor is open Wednesday through Friday. It's a humongous show. Every laser company will be there. Every trophy company will be there. And it's a good event. I've made some really close friends that we keep in touch with, and we go. I've been every year for 15 years, and we'll continue going. Here's what one of the classrooms looks like, and there's my ugly mugshot at the end. And also, if you come to my class and you come up and introduce yourself, sometime, either that afternoon or the next day, I'm going to set up some time with people and do 1-on-1 or 5-on-1, depending on how many people we get. So bring your laptop. If you plan to come, bring your laptop, bring your questions. I'm going to try to answer them. We'll find a little secluded room somewhere to have it at. We'll figure that out in February. But come up and introduce yourself and meet me, and we can go from there. Anyway, thank you for watching.